Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today day 6 challenge of learning 25 days formula. Today we are going to see the formula called power. So power is nothing but the into 2 or how we can say is like square or cube of the particular value. In our childhood days we have learned 5 into 5 which is 5 power 2 is equal to 25. The same is the concept behind this power. I'm going to show you how to use that power formula in Excel. Before going to video, we have not seen the before 5 days of formula whichever we have used. I have given the link in description. You can watch it and come back to the sixth formula. Let's start. Go to Excel. So I have created a new sheet called power, and you can see I have created serial number, numbers, power and output. So the basic is like the same, equal to power. Just click a tab. You can see number and power. So I have given the number of 32 and the power of 2. It will be like 1024. So to verify it, I am going to use the calculator. It's opened. 32 into 32, which is equal to 1024. So the power is how it's working. It's a 32 square is 1024 and 46 the cube. We'll see the values. So it is 97,336. I have given the values accordingly. You can see the values as well. So these are all the numbers beyond the limit. So what I'll do. So I'll just reduce these values. So let it be 6 and let it be 10 and it should be 2 and it will be 9. Okay, 29 of 2 I'll put. See, these are all the values which is giving me the cube root, I mean the cube of the value or square of the value or 15 into 6 times of 15 what is the value and 5 to the power of 10 times 44 to the power of 2 times means the square of 44. That's how the power formula works. Hope you guys have understood the video. If you still have any doubt in this formula, please comment your doubts in the comment section or else you can contact us via our channel which we have given the link as form or like email or through WhatsApp. We can ready to assist you in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Jai Hind.